Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I wanted to share with you all today this quick flat twist hairstyle. It is super quick to accomplish. I put it in my hair for church the other day, and because we were late for church that morning, I could not have recorded it. But I said, you know what, I am going to do a recording so that I could share with you all, because when I was done putting in the hairstyle, I said to myself, wow, it is such a cute but simple hairstyle to accomplish, and it's so classy. You can wear it for work, you can wear it to go out, to church, really anywhere that you want to go. So I'm gonna do that hairstyle for you all now, and I will be sharing with you all 2 ways that you can wear it. So yeah. So what I did when I took down the style the other day, I just left in the parts and just put it in some braids. So as you can see, it's in 2 parts. And I did it that way so when I was ready to take down the hair, it would be much easier for me to go ahead and just take down the braids and then do the flat twist. So what I am going to do, I am going to do it one side at a time. As you all can see guys, edge is laid, hair is moisturized, so as always edges are laid. So I'm really going to do this one side at a time. So I take down the braids to this side, detangle the hair, and then I just take my brush, smooth it down just a little bit. And then I just flat twist. Now guys, you will note that I am doing the flat twist away from my face. So that way the fat part of the twist is on the inside. And if you all note, I am taking my time in doing this part because I am smoothing each part of the flat twist as I am going, so that it gives a nice smooth finish when I am done. When I get to this point on my ear, just around halfway to the end of the lobe, I want to twist all the rest. So that I can gather it, and then when I have gathered it, I take the hair tie and put it in place. Quick detangle on the end of the section. I split it in 2. Split it into 2, and I do ensure that it is equal almost. And then I just put in 2 chunky twists. Put in those twists, I bring them together like so. And I do the same thing to the other side. So I take down the braids, pass the comb to do a quick detangle, brush to smooth, and then I flat twist. When I get to that middle point in my ear, I just put it into a ponytail. Do a quick detangle, put it into 2 sections, and then I twist. So this is it guys. Once you get to this point, now option 1 for this hairstyle, these twists are coming down. You just take the 2 twists, turn them together and then just turn it in. Take a hairpin and just pin it into place. And there you have it. Flat twist and 2 low buns. Now I love it this way, but let me show you my favorite. The one I'm going to show you now is actually how I wore it for church. So I want to just put the 2 twists together again, and I'm going to take this one and then bring it across to the top on this side. Bring it across top on this side and then take your hairpin and pin it into place. You want to just tuck the ends into the flat twist. Then you take the 2 twists from the right side and you want to pass it underneath. And that's it. Hairpins where necessary so that it stays in place, and this is it. Ensure that it is nice and smooth. Right, so that's it. Now what I'm going to do is take my aloe leave-in conditioner. Now remember I told you all the spritz on this is not very misty, so I'm gonna spritz a little bit of it into my hands and then just put it on my edges. So that when I put on my headscarf, it makes it nice and smooth. This area here as well. Oh, I still need to get me a misting bottle. Then I take my tiny brush and just brush it into place. If I feel like it, lay my edges just a little bit. Guys, as you all can see, I am laying my edges with my aloe vera leave-in conditioner. If you haven't checked out that video, I will link it that you can go check it out. Look at those edges. See that? And when I put on my headscarf, leave it on for about 10 minutes, it even looks better than how it is now. Okay. But this was it for this video. I really love this hairstyle, guys. I really love it. What you can do is just tuck at it a little, pull it a little so that it adds some extra volume where you need it to. And that's it. Yeah, I absolutely love this hairstyle, guys. You know, when I accomplished it for church on Sunday, I said, you know what, I just have to do a recording so that I can share with you all. But this was it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!